The Algorand cryptographic money is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it tackles the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's adaptability while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is expected that this new computerized organization will work on the productivity of the ordinary monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Our continuous ALGO to USD cost update shows the ongoing Algorand cost is 21 cents USD. According to our Algorand cost forecast, ALGO cost is supposed to have a 8.65% diminishing and drop as low as by April 10, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 92%, with a trepidation and ravenousness record score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Algorand has had 16 30th green days and 4.93% cost unpredictability. Algorand specialized outline. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $22, and ALGO is by and by position No. 39 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Algorand is $1,537,206,496.06, with a market cap of $7,121,971,145 ALGO. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ALGO has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 8.54%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of a LGO has expanded by 14.44%, adding a gigantic typical measure of 3 cents to its ongoing worth. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be 31 cents. The most extreme level that the ALGO cost can reach is 38 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 32 cents. Likely return for money invested. 50% by ALGO value gauge for February 2023 in view of the value variances of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 25 cents in February 2023. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 25 cents. It can drop to 25 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 28 cents. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 29 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 25 cents in May 2023. The most minimal and top ALGO rates may be 27 cents and 30 cents. Possible return for money invested. 19.2% by July 2023. Algorand value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ALGO cost will be around 28 cents. In July 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least 27 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 31 cents in July 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment. 23.1% by ALGO value gauge for August 2023. Having broke down Algorand costs, digital money specialists expect that the ALGO rate could arrive at a limit of 33 cents in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 28 cents. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Algorand is almost 29 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment. 30.8% by September 2023. Algorand value estimate around mid-2023, the Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 29 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the ALGO cost could vary somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 34 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 34.6% by ALGO value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Algorand worth won't dip under at least 29 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is 36 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 30 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment. 42.3% by November 2023. Algorand value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of ALGO costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Algorand will be around 37 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 30 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 31 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 46.1% by ALGO value gauge for December 2023 in light of the value variances of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 32 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 31 cents and at 38 cents. Separately, expected return for capital invested. 50% by Algorand value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Algorand will be around 46 cents. The greatest expected ALGO cost might be around 55 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 47 cents in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is 65 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Algorand and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base ALGO cost could drop to 92 cents, while its most extreme can reach $1.12. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 94 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ALGO costs are normal in 2027, $1.63 and $1.38. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.43. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Algorand. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ALGO cost will be around $2.05. It could drop to at least $1.98. However, it actually could reach $2.41 all through 2028. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that LGO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.81 and $3.36 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $2.90 during the year. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2030 not entirely set in stone by the greatest ALGO cost of $4.87. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $3.98. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $4.13. Algorand Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the Algorand cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ALGO cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for something like $5.51, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $6.78. By and large, you can anticipate that the ALGO cost should be around $5.71 in 2031. Algorand Value Forecast 2032. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2032 not set in stone by the most extreme ALGO cost of $9.50. In any case, its rate could drop to around $8.07. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $8.30. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the principal objective of which is to make a blockchain stage available to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The principal elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment unquestionable status.